Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming VLC is installed and up to date. This ensures file associations work correctly. Once done, open Start, choose Settings, then Apps, and click Default Apps so you're in the right control panel. Make sure you're signed into an account with administrative rights because Windows may prompt for permission when changing defaults. If a file type is already associated with another player, you'll replace it in the next steps. Stay here until you see the Default Apps panel. Now you'll change associations. Scroll to the bottom and select Choose Default Apps by File Type for precise control. Once the long list loads, find extensions like MP4, MKV, AVI, and MP3 and click the current app to replace it with VLC from the pop-up. This ensures double-click opens VLC. Make sure to change both video and audio types and repeat for uncommon formats you use. If an extension doesn't show VLC, choose Default Apps by Protocol. Finally, verify your work by double-clicking a variety of media files. VLC should open immediately and remember playback settings. If Windows refuses the change, close Settings, run it as administrator, and repeat the association steps. This resolves permission hiccups. Make sure to reboot if associations behave inconsistently. Trouble tip: if file types revert, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and choose Reset to Microsoft Recommended Defaults. Then reassign VLC. This clears stubborn registry conflicts and lets you set VLC as default cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.